Welcome to your English class. So let's learn a new sound. And this is sound F. Repeat after me. Say sound F. Let's learn some words starting with A. A, apple. A, ant. A, alligator. A, arrow. A, X. Let's learn how to trace sound A neatly. So, here are some A which are written in dotted form. So, you will learn how to trace A on proper dots. So, let's start tracing. Make curved line, go up and come down. So, practice it again. Make curve, go up, come down.
Students, don't forget to practice sound A at home.